Here are 5 wild facts about sneezes. Fact 1, sneezes can shoot out of your nose at over 100 miles per hour. That's faster than some cars. Fact 2, your heart actually pauses for a split second when you sneeze. It's why some say, "bless you." Fact 3, sunlight makes some people sneeze. It's called the photic sneeze reflex. Fact 4, the world record for the longest sneezing fit lasted 978 days. Fact 5, sneezes spread droplets up to 26 feet away, so cover up. That was your daily dump of sneeze facts.